Welcome to 83 Crossover Street, a wonderful 3-bedroom brick townhome nestled within the highly sought-after Upper Beaches Estates neighborhood. A lushly landscaped front yard adds privacy to a charming outdoor sitting area, and the stone walkway leads to a covered front entrance graced with decor columns. Through the front door is a ceramic tiled foyer with a coat closet, and the foyer opens to a very spacious living room that can also be combined with an intimate dining area if desired. The oversized north-facing window allows for ample natural light, while the richness of hardwood flooring brings warmth to the room. And adding beautiful ambient brightness to the foyer, this elegant entertaining space and the kitchen's dining area are gorgeous contemporary light fixtures. Large south-facing windows and a glass-paneled garden door walkout bring warm natural light into the kitchen area, which is finished with ceramic flooring throughout, is very open, and is a great space for entertaining as well. Featuring a center island with a stainless steel double sink, the kitchen also has great cabinetry storage that includes a pantry area, track and under cabinet lighting, a subway tiled backsplash, as well as a built-in microwave and dishwasher, an oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a stainless steel French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. The walkout opens onto a tiered deck offering space for outdoor warm weather entertaining and year-round barbecuing, and the fully fenced backyard is lush with ivies and provides access to a detached single-car garage that is also accessible via a rear laneway. The main level also features a powder room with a ceramic tiled floor and pedestal sink, and across from it is a staircase with hardwood treads and railing, white risers and spindles, and a carpet runner that carries to the upper level, with its railing continued along the hallway. This level is carpeted throughout, and the hallway has a linen closet as well as updated light fixtures. And beside the closet is the 4-piece washroom, which features a stone-tiled floor, an updated light fixture, as well as a subway tiled bath and shower area with a soaker tub and a rainfall shower head. The second and third bedrooms both have ample closet storage and north-facing exposures, with the second bedroom having a relaxed aura and a cozy sitting area by its window, while the third bedroom has 2 large windows and a bright, airy atmosphere. The master bedroom is bright and spacious, enjoys the warm light of a south-facing exposure, and additionally features a ceiling fan and an oversized double closet. Located in a neighborhood that is steps to TTC service and Bob Acton Park, this home is also walking distance to Kimberley Junior Public School and Malvern Collegiate Institute, an arena and a community center, Danforth Avenue shopping, restaurants and entertainment, as well as the Danforth GO and the Main Street subway stations. To the fully finished lower level is a hardwood staircase, with this level featuring storage under the staircase, a separate storage room, and a 3-piece washroom divided into 2 separate rooms. One is a water closet with a space-saving vanity, the other has a walk-in ceramic tiled shower area as well as pot lighting, and both are finished with ceramic flooring. High-quality laminate flooring flows throughout the living and entertaining space of the recreation area, which is brightened with pot lighting and warmed by a gas fireplace. And completing this level is a combined utility and laundry room with washer, dryer, and ceramic flooring. Situated in a prestigious and family-minded community with fantastic amenities close at hand, the vibrant beach neighborhood is also minutes away, and it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect to the Gardiner Expressway and Highway 401 for commuting throughout the GTA.